Hi friends, good morning. This is Dr. Kalyani. So many questions about stress management. அதனால் ஸ்ட்ரெஸ்ஸை பற்றி கொஞ்சம் பேசலாம். What is stress? Stress means you are taking unwanted things on your head and releasing the hormone called cortisol, which is going to increase your BP and heart will end up in palpitation and your physical changes will be seen. This is only stress. So any negative feeling like anger, jealousy, everything will increases the cortisol level. Cortisol is the hormone of stress and it has the tendency to increase your BP, heart rate, everything. So you have to reduce your negative feelings first. Then do some physical activity. Daily do some physical activity. Either yoga, meditation, exercise, dancing, anything. Zumba, whatever you like, you do it. And relaxation வந்துட்டு mental as well as physical relaxation. Meditation will give the mental relaxation whereas yoga gives the physical relaxation. So you can do all these things. Lifestyle management என்ன பண்ணலாம்னா, don't take so much of food which is not balanced and then don't take alcohol, coffee, and then you need at least 7 to 9 hours of sleep per day that you concentrate. And social support, you should always have a friend who can hear you, that he or she should be a better listener. அவங்க கிட்ட நம்மளோட ப்ராப்ளம் எல்லாம் சொல்ல முடியும் அப்படின்னு ஒரு ஆள் இருந்தாங்கன்னா அவங்கள வச்சுக்கோங்க. let them be your best friend and you can tell anything you want to talk with them. That type of a friendship is necessary. Avoid negative feelings here, not necessary at all. Why should we be angry, why should we be jealous, and why should backbite and all? Not necessary. So learn to tell no also whenever you are not comfortable or when you are thinking that this is not my cup of tea, just refuse it. Try to tell no also. And sensory grounding னு ஒன்று இருக்குங்க. 5 4 3 2 1, அதாவது 5 things to see, 4 things to touch, 3 to hear, 2 to smell and 1 to taste. அது மாதிரி ஒரு ஃபோக்கஸ்டாக காக்னிட்டரி லெவல் ஆஃப் த பிரெயினை you can train. And box breathing is inhale for 4 seconds, then you can give a pause, that you have to keep it in the air what you have inhaled inside, and then exhale, and then again there is a pause. You should not breathe immediately again exhaling. So that is the box breathing. Inhale 4 seconds, keep it inside for 4 seconds, freeze for 4 seconds, exhale 4 seconds, and then keep it in this thing for freeze for 4 seconds. This is called box breathing. This increases the relaxation, mental relaxation, and reduces the stress. Journaling என்ன தெரியுமா, என்னென்ன தோணுதோ எழுத பழகுங்க. Because sometimes something can't be voiced out to others. அது எல்லாமே வந்துட்டு you start writing. That is called journaling. All your feeling, put it on paper and tear it off. Otherwise you keep reading, after 1 week you may smile at it. So that is called journaling. And acceptance is very important. Accept and then move on. What you can't change, you can't change. And why you continuously brood on the things what you can't change and keep yourself stressed? Don't, not necessary. And professional help if needed, like us, we are doctors are there, come to us, we will counsel you. Okay, thank you.